What's up, people? This is Fuad. Back in the day, we used to do unboxing video. Those are the video that I get highest view. I like music. My last two video that I got Audio Technica turntable is for the beginning. I'm kind of going back to the retro stuff. So I have two camera setups so you can see my reaction and then my unboxing. Hey, there you go, guys. This is the box. This is two more box. And this is gonna be this right here. I bought this is first long time ago. That was a Supreme drop. It was Supreme drop like I'm not sure like a year ago. I don't know, like a year ago or something. So I bought this. I was like, damn, why am I gonna listen to? Because of this, I had to buy this two box. And big box is something else. Let's open the big box because it's taking all my space. Rambo knife. Those of you know, you know. Just got it like 2 days if I haven't opened it. Like, now I'm gonna open it once I have a chance. So let's do it. So let me open that box. Here we go. Open. Put the knife back. That way I don't cut myself. Alright. Let's see what's in there. Let's see what's in there. Let's see what you guys know what's in there. There you go, guys. Woo! Like I said, guys, I don't know why. I guess it's a midlife crisis. That's why I got it. It's by 8bit. It's an 8-bit retro mechanic keyboard. And this one, I believe it's the C64 edition. I got it from Prime Deal. I'll zoom in so you can see how it looks. Everything on the table, beside this camera is 12 years. This freaking snowball mic, I touched it, I'm sorry. This snowball mic, it's more than 10 years. So let's open it. I'm talking too much. Okay, I can show you the box if you guys care about the box. So this is front. This edition, it comes with two things. It comes with a little big ass button and then control. I don't want to destroy the box because I do collect boxes. I like the color. It's like it feels like old school vibe. It's giving the old school retro stuff, man. I used to have a 64 Commando 64. It's like a arcade type of game. So it basically it looks like keyboard and it's built-in Commando 64, and then it has so many games that I used to play with. It's crazy. All right, ta-da! Smell test, dude. Smell like a plastic on. Like, why is on? That's crazy. Okay. Oh, 87 key. So this is the 87 key. Okay. It comes with a little sticky. Nice. Little sticky. It comes with a little sticky icky. And I guess it shows you what to do, like how to set up, press left. Oh, so you can do shortcut. Okay. So Win plus D and then you can press, oh, I see. Okay, the sticker SOS for the game over entry. Okay, oh, this is nice. The manual, who reads fucking manual, right? Put it aside. It comes with a C-type cable. I'll see how long it is. All right, I think those are the one that, oh, it's for the joystick. It's for the little joystick right there. So I guess, oh, okay, I guess he goes in there. Oh shit, nice. That'd be dope if we had like a little button right there. You know, those are back in the day. I don't know what console is it. It's like a little one button, like, and you can just use this. Like, that'd be sick. But okay. Oh, it goes all the way. So it click left. It's not circle. It's just like up and down and left and right. Up and down, left and right. So I don't think it's a circle. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, look at this. A big ass button is A and B. It has a little rubbery texture, so I guess a rubber. You stay on the desk. That's sick. And yes, I'm gonna keep the boxes because I do like to collect those boxes. Yeah, I'm one of those weirdo. I collect boxes. I don't know why this is on. Why it was on. Damn, bro, shit looks sick. Ooh, I don't think this is a gaming keyboard, is it? I don't think it's like it has like, it's not a gaming keyboard, but damn, bro, look at this. It's like the old school, like a typewriter shit. Whoa, whoa, nice. I don't know why this power is already on. Like, what the fuck? Oh, there you go. I'm gonna turn it off. Let me show you what's in there. Let's side to side. Hopefully, you guys, you can see the keyboard. You can see the 8-bit. Damn, this is crazy. Jeez, nice, love it. I guess this is the power, and it comes with the 2.4 dongle, and then it's Bluetooth. So that's the Bluetooth, and it does have volume control, so which is awesome. And these right here, that's how you set up your micro. Those D-pad and all that. That's how you set up. I guess you press hold, and this is. I'm not sure. I gotta look into it. What's going on here? And oh, the dongle. So it comes with the dongle. It's an 8-bit dongle. It comes with the 8-bit dongle. So that's for that. But my question is, if you guys know, my question is like, I have an 8-bit control, right? Can I pair it with my 8-bit control? So that way everything will be the one dongle. So my keyboard and my control will be this. If you guys know, let me know if I can like pair it with this. This is how you pair it. You press and hold, and somehow you pair it. Look at this. Sexy ass keyboard. Look at this. Sexy, huh? Alright. Oh, this is my keyboard right there. Ooh, nice. Not for gaming because I don't use keyboard and mouse for gaming. I know. Oh, it's magnetic. Whoa. I like it. So alright guys, this is how you connect those controller. So it's X and Y and A and B. That's how you connect it. 8-bit dual keyboard. C64. It's fucking dope, bro. I don't know why I'm loving it. Like seriously, I'm loving the fucking keyboard. Like the color is like 3 different colors. Like this is like a little dark brown, light brown, and then obviously like lighter brown. Like damn, voice remind me like back in the day, like old school computer. Now